I have done my B.Tech from IIT Kharagpur. I qualified JEE exam in the year 2007 or 2007, as you say the year. Then I worked for a while after graduating and then taught physics for around 6 years for JEE and NEET preparation. Since then, I have been studying statistics and economics at the Indian Statistical Institute. Now, I think I'm pretty much qualified to share some ideas on how to prepare JEE physics or NEET physics also, because I've taught both the type of students. So here are my 3 takeaways. First, you need to be thorough with only one book. And by one book, I would say if you choose H.C. Verma, that would be the best decision. You can also take the help of Rasnik Halliday if you want. But I believe that H.C. Verma is perhaps the best book for JEE or NEET physics as of now. And when I say H.C. Verma, I don't mean that you just go through that book once and you're done. You're not. Go through it as many times as you can. Read all the questions, solve all of them. Try to find different ways to solve the question. Solve every question. Now, what is the next point? The next point is you need to prepare which areas you're strong at and good at. Now, it can't be done using a very simple idea that I'm good at this subject, good at this topic, and bad at this topic. You have to categorize every chapter. And by categorization, I mean you have to divide the kinds of questions in every chapter. As per my experience, every chapter in physics, let's say there are 20 chapters, it could be different than that. But let's say if we have 20 chapters, so every chapter has roughly around 20 types of questions. So you have 20 cross 20, 400 types of questions, just for the sake of it. Now, these 400 types of questions would define your strengths and weaknesses, not the 20 chapters. Now, obviously, chapters can change. Number of chapters can change for you, dependent on your studying for JEE physics or NEET physics. But the idea remains the same. You have to divide in terms of the question types. And once you have done that, going back to H.C. Verma and solving it multiple times helps you in an enormous way. Now, third, what should be the criteria while preparing for JEE physics and how you should give time to it? See, physics is a hugely scoring subject in JEE or NEET. How you have to plan your physics preparation is give physics preparation chunks of time. By chunks of time, I mean study physics for 2-3 days on a stretch, because it needs a bit of flow. Once you're in a flow, you can cover up 3-4 chapters at a stretch. And then once you're done with 3-4 chapters, you can take a break. Study biology if you are from NEET, or study maths if you are from JEE. And chemistry can go along with your maths or biology, or you can also study all the 3 subjects individually, not all of them in one day. That is how I think it should be done. Your strategy could be different, but I think this is a very important strategy if you want to score high in physics. You have to give it chunks of time, 2-3 days at a stretch. So these were my 3 strategies for you, and hope you like these ideas. I would try to upload more strategy videos, and I would not restrict myself to JEE physics. I could go to JEE chemistry, NEET chemistry, even maths, JEE, and other competitive examination maths. I would also like to post videos on economics, statistics. So my focus would be all the subjects which has mathematics content in it. And let's see how it goes. Thank you.